Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that a massive chunk of your daily work, the tasks you usually spend hours and hours on, can suddenly be done by artificial intelligence in just a few minutes. Scary? Yeah, maybe a little bit. But here is the undeniable truth we all have to face. AI is not coming to replace everyone. It's coming to replace the way we work. And if you look back through history, every major technological revolution has definitely eliminated some jobs, but it has also created massive, entirely new opportunities. So let's break down exactly how you can turn this fear into your absolute greatest advantage. First things first, we really need to reframe that initial anxiety. The question is no longer, will AI affect my career? We already know the answer to that is a resounding yes. The real question you need to be asking yourself today is, am I actively preparing myself for the future? The whole core premise here is that AI is replacing outdated workflows, not the actual people behind them. So throughout this explainer, I'm going to share some highly practical strategies to protect your career and help you build a future where AI becomes your biggest asset rather than your biggest threat. To build that future, we're going to follow a really clear path today. We'll kick things off with an AI reality check, then cover how to learn and master AI, cultivate uniquely human skills, brand and solve problems, develop the adaptability mindset, and finally, we'll look at your future with AI. Let's dive right in. All right, section 1, the AI reality check. Listen, the absolute biggest mistake professionals are making right now is just ignoring AI or brushing it off as some passing trend. You can't just avoid reality and hope for success. Because history tells us a very, very clear story. Think about the 1980s. Computers completely changed how we work. Then the 90s connected us all with the internet. The 2000s brought smartphones, and later, cloud technology revolutionized the workplace all over again. Now, here we are in the 2020s, riding the artificial intelligence wave. And guess what? The people who adapted to those previous shifts early always gained a massive competitive advantage. The ones who resisted, they struggled just to catch up. AI is simply the next wave. The earlier you accept it, the more time you have to prepare. You don't have to fear change, you just have to be ready for it. Moving on to section 2, learn and master AI. I have to warn you, the skills that got you hired today might not actually keep you relevant tomorrow. Technology and industries are evolving every single year, so we have to evolve with them. Dedicating just 30 to 60 minutes a day to learning is literally your ultimate career insurance. It really doesn't have to be overwhelming. Spend a little time each day mastering new AI tools, wrapping your head around data analysis, or even sharpening those vital human skills like public speaking, leadership, finance, and communication. Continuous learning isn't optional anymore. It's an absolute requirement to survive and grow. To really drive this point home, consider this brilliant insight from futurist Alvin Toffler. He said, "The illiterates of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn." Sometimes you have to be willing to let go of the old ways of doing things just to make room for the new. So you have to ask yourself a tough question. Are you trying to compete with AI, or are you using it as an assistant? I strongly urge you to shift your perspective right now. Please do not try to compete with machines. You will lose that race every single time. Instead, you've got to master them as your digital assistants. Let's get super practical here. You should absolutely be using AI to knock out your first drafts, research complex topics, analyze dense reports, brainstorm fresh ideas, summarize those long meetings, and automate all your boring, repetitive work. By offloading those specific tasks, you are literally buying back your own time. And what do you do with that extra time? You spend it doing what humans actually do best: thinking, creating, and leading. Which brings us perfectly to section 3, cultivate uniquely human skills. Because despite its incredible computing power, AI still severely struggles with our unique human traits. Think about your irreplaceable skills. I'm talking about critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, negotiation, decision-making, and communication. Companies don't just hire raw technical skills. They hire actual, breathing human beings who can solve nuanced problems, navigate complex workplace relationships, make really tough decisions, and confidently lead teams through uncertainty. Those qualities, they are always going to matter. It really just boils down to this simple truth. Machines process information, but humans inspire people. While data processing, coding, and sorting can be fully automated, true empathy, inspiration, and human connection will always remain invaluable. When you double down on that human element in your work, you become totally irreplaceable.
All right, section 4, brand and solve problems. Let's pivot to some actionable steps you can take today to really stand out at work, starting with your professional online identity.
In today's hyper-connected world, your online presence is your professional identity. You need to transition from just consuming content to actively creating it. Stop the endless doom scrolling and start sharing. Share your industry insights, your knowledge, the hard lessons you've learned, and your project experiences on platforms like LinkedIn or YouTube. Why? Because while your resume might get you an interview, your public reputation is what actually creates proactive opportunities. You want people to discover your expertise before they even shake your hand.
And once you're actually in the job, you need a major mindset shift. Most people show up and ask, what work am I assigned? Well, AI can do assigned work. Instead, you need to start asking, what business problem am I actually solving? Employees who think way beyond their job descriptions, the ones who actively look for ways to improve processes, reduce costs, save time, or just enhance the customer experience, those are the people who create measurable impact. And people who create measurable impact, they become incredibly difficult to replace.
Section 5, the adaptability mindset. You have to remember that as technology evolves and entirely new careers emerge, the most successful people in the room aren't necessarily the smartest. They are, without a doubt, the most adaptable. You've got to become someone who learns faster than change happens. Seriously, adopting this specific mindset is what will truly keep you relevant throughout the entirety of your career. Instead of fearing the massive change that AI is bringing, you have to outpace it with your own curiosity and your willingness to adapt. Finally, Section 6, your future with AI. Let's take a quick look back to give us some much-needed perspective here. When calculators arrived, mathematicians didn't just disappear, right? When computers arrived, businesses didn't stop hiring people. When the internet arrived, entirely new massive industries were born. AI is simply the next iteration of this exact same pattern. Resisting this transformation is a completely losing battle. The true future winners won't be the ones hiding under their desks from AI. The winners are going to be the ones who learn it, use it, and seamlessly combine it with their uniquely human strengths. You have to make AI your partner, not your competitor.
Because ultimately, it comes down to this. AI won't replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI effectively, they just might. Let that sink in for a second. That is where the real career competition actually lies. It's not you versus the algorithm. It's you versus the professional who has learned to leverage that algorithm to work 10 times faster than you.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I have a question to leave you with. What valuable skill do you think you will need most in the AI era? I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts, so please drop your answers down in the comments below. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a colleague, and subscribe to Globe-Thoughts for more practical insights on career growth, technology, and leadership. Until next time.